Let's bring in Eddie Ghabour, who's been right, well, for many, months, years? Eddie, you've been right on the money. Let me begin with this question, though. Do we see a Santa rally? Do you see a Santa rally? Dagan McDowell said in the previous hour, you know, intoxication can lead to all sorts of irrational things, but what say you?
I do not think we're going to get a Santa rally. I think best case scenario, we stay range bound here as we're through the month of December.
Yeah.
And then we take the major leg down into the first quarter. But the one thing that we need to see for a Santa rally is we need to see this inflation data. We're going to get inflation data tomorrow, job data on Friday. And then on the 13th is the biggest date because we get CPI. If we see another significant rate of change drop there, then I think you will get follow through and you'll see a Santa rally. I just don't see it. Again, best case, I think range bound. But make no mistake, I think we're going to make new lows within the next quarter. And so if we do get those rallies, I would be selling into those.
You know, Eddie, you pointed out in your notes that you don't think the markets are paying enough attention to the yield inversion. You know, the 3-year, if you like, 3-month Treasury rather, is a lot higher than the 10-year yield, which normally signifies a recession. You think people are not paying enough attention?
I think people are trying to find a reason as to why this time is different. I mean, you look at past recessions and you see an inversion that we're seeing right now that we haven't seen in over 20 years. And I don't think the market is properly pricing that in. Look, I've learned the hard way. You bet against the bond market, you're going to get punched in the face. That is my personal opinion. So I respect this yield curve inversion. It's giving us the warning that we are going to be in a deeper recession and we're going to have an earnings recession. And we're going to see revisions at the end of this year and in January. And that's why I think we're going to have significantly more downside. And then we'll be big buyers in the first quarter next year. I think we're going to have some amazing opportunities, but some people just get sucked in these rallies and then they get spit out. So.
Okay, we'll have to leave it there, Eddie. Great stuff as always. Thank you so much.